All right, your bag?
Yep, not bad, and you?
Good.
Want a cup of tea or anything?
Yes, I've been here ages.
No, you haven't.
You said you were going to be home about an hour ago.
I'll put the kettle on. Put my bag there.
Who is it?
Don't know. Somebody's definitely taken that piss, man.
You know, you've got a prankster living in your apartment.
Yeah. Nobody's there at all. Done the runner.
He's a runner, he's a track star. Get them, get them.
Punch. There's bloody nobody there. They're taking the bloody piss. Look at that.
I think you need to ring the police.
Bloody hell, man.
Is there any kids around here?
No. Unless it's grandchildren. Oh, there's definitely something wrong with the bloody bell, maybe.
Oh,
There's
maybe.
something wrong with the bloody bell.
Maybe. Might be faulty.
Yeah, maybe.
Might be faulty.
No, I'm going to make the tea now. Oh my God. That's the last time. What do you think? No bucketry.
Are we hearing things or is actually...
I don't know, but I think we can hear bells. Bloody tracks. Oh, why can't they fuck off? I'm not. I said done. One more, and that's it.
Tell them.
Fuck off. Whoever it is, fuck off.
We're wasting our time.
Wasting my bloody time and all I could. There's no bastard there. There's no bastard there.
You sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Come and have a look. There's nobody there. Really? Really? It's you, you little bastard. You bloody bastard. You fucking little bastard. You annoy me all the time. Fucking little bastard.
Hey, Nan. I've been something.
You go and answer the fucking door then.